Ever wondered if you can snore with your mouth closed? Here's the wild truth. Yes, you absolutely can. Most people think snoring only happens when your mouth is wide open, but the real culprit is airflow. Snoring is caused by vibrations in your airway, usually the soft palate or tissues in your throat. If your nasal passages are blocked or your tongue falls back, those tissues can still vibrate even if your lips are sealed shut. The twist? Mouth-closed snoring is often a sign of nasal congestion. So, next time you hear muffled snoring, remember, it's not always about the open mouth.